Good day, it's me again, Teacher Mary. Today, we are going to study Chapter 5, Lesson 4. It is about fractions. Open your book on page 26. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Example, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 3 over 8. From our example 3 over 8, the 3 or the number on the top is what we call numerator. And the 8 or the number at the bottom is what we call denominator. Numerator is the number of parts we have, while denominator is the number of parts that the whole is divided into. Example, we have this one whole pizza. I divided it into 2. This is 1 and this is the second. 1, 2. When you write fraction, the number at the bottom is the denominator. And for example, somebody ate 1 of the 2. And what is left is 1. And that 1 is what we call numerator. So this picture of pizza now shows the fraction 1 over 2. Reading and writing fractions. Picture number 1. So this one circle is 1. We read it as 1 whole. The second picture, it is divided into 2, 1, 2, and then this blue part is the fraction 1 over 2, or you can also say 1/2. This rectangle is divided into 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 of them are blue. So it is 2 over 3 or 2/3. This square is divided into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 of them are blue, and that fraction is 3 over 4 or 3/4. This picture are hexagons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 of them are green, and the fraction of 2 green hexagons is 2 over 5 or 2/5. This circle is divided into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 7 of them are green. So the fraction of the green color is 7 over 8 or 7/8. Now for further understanding about writing fractions, let's answer this, or let's identify the fraction of the shaded part. So what is the fraction of the blue part? Yes, it is 1 over 4 or 1/4. What is the fraction of the blue part? It is 2 over 3 or 2/3. Another practice. How will you write the fraction of this picture A? We write it as 6 over 8 and we read as 6/8. Letter B, it shows 1 over 2 or 1/2. Picture C, it is 1 over 3 or 1/3. And picture D is 3 over 6 or 3/6. Now let's answer your book, page 28, numbers 1 and 2. Number 1, write the fractions for the shaded parts in numbers and words. Write the numbers inside the boxes and words on the line. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer practice number 1. 2 minutes is finished. Okay, let's answer. Get your red pen and check your answers. The answer on letter A is 3 over 6. And it is read as 3 over 6, or you can say 3/6. Okay, letter B, it is 2 over 8. Now, why 2 over 8? Look at the picture. This triangle is divided into 2. So, this triangle in the middle should be divided also into 2. So, that's why our numerator is 2, because 2 parts of the whole triangle is blue. Okay, and then there are 8 small triangles in total. So that's why our denominator is 8. But if your answer is 1 over 4, you are correct also. We read this as 2/8. And then on letter C, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for the numerator and 3, 6, 9. 9 for the denominator. We read it as 5. Write 5. And then ninths. 5 ninths. If you are correct, check your answer and then write your score inside the score box. If you got 3, write 3 over 3. For the number 2, you are going to shade the following figures to show the given fractions. So these are the fractions, and shade or color the fractions in these pictures. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to finish practice number 2. Go. Two minutes is finished. Okay, let's answer practice number 2A. Shade. So let's color 5 over 6. Color 5, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the answer for letter A. Letter B. Letter B, 8 over 9. So color 8 small triangles out of 9. Okay, please color it properly. Okay, and then for the letter C, 11 over 18. Color 11 triangles out of 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, only 11. Okay, so this is the answer for the practice number 2. Okay, so if you are correct, write your score 3 over 3. Now, let's study types of fractions. Open your book, page 36. There are 3 types of fractions. Number 1 is proper fraction. The proper fraction have numerators that are smaller than their denominators. Earlier, we studied that numerator is the number on the top of the fraction, while denominators is the number at the bottom of the fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Examples are 2 over 3, 5 over 10, and 9 over 13. Number 2, improper fraction. Improper fractions have numerators that are equal to or greater than their denominators. So this is the opposite of proper fraction. The number on the top should be bigger or larger than the number at the bottom. Example, 10 over 2, 6 over 4, or they can be equal, like 5 over 5. Number 3 is mixed number. Mixed numbers consist of whole numbers and proper fractions. So these are examples of mixed numbers like 1 and 1 over 2, 15 and 3 over 4, 8 and 1 over 6. So these are the 3 types of fractions. Tell the type of fractions. Number 1. What type of fraction is 5 over 7? It is proper fraction. Number 2. What type of fraction is 4 and 3 over 4? It is mixed number. Number 3. What type of fraction is 9 over 9? It is improper fraction. And number 4, what is 12 over 3? It is improper fraction. More practice. Number 1, what type of fraction is number 1? Yes, it is proper fraction because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Number 2, what type of fraction is number 2? Yes, it is improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Number 3, it is proper fraction. Correct. Number 4 is improper fraction. Number 5, it is mixed number because it is the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Number 6, it is mixed number. Now, how to convert mixed number to improper fraction? Example, we have mixed number 3 and 1 over 2. To change this to improper fraction, you have to multiply the denominator to the whole number and then plus to the numerator. Example, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that Number 7 is the numerator of improper fraction. And the denominator of mixed number is also the denominator of improper fraction. We change the mixed number 3 and 1 over 2. The answer is 7 over 2. Now, what is the improper fraction of 4 and 1 over 2? It is 9 over 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And copy the denominator 2. That's why the denominator of the improper fraction is 2. Next, 7 and 4 over 5. It is 39 over 5. 5 times 7 equals 35, plus 4 equals 39, and copy the denominator. So the answer is 39 over 5. Next, 2 and 3 over 4. The answer is 11 over 4. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 equals 11. And then copy the denominator 4. Next, 9 and 4 over 5. The improper fraction is 49 over 5. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 equals 49. Then copy the denominator. That's why the answer is 49 over 5. Now, how to convert improper fraction to mixed number? Example, our improper fraction is 25 over 7. You have to divide 25 by 7. Numerator divided by denominator. Example, 25 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 25 minus 21 equals 4. To write this to mixed number, the quotient 3 is the whole number. The remainder 4 is the numerator of the proper fraction. And the denominator 7 of the improper fraction is the same denominator for the mixed number. So, improper fraction 25 over 7 is 3 and 4 over 7. Okay, let's have more practice. Number 1, change the improper fraction 7 over 3 to mixed number. So you have to divide. The answer is 2 and 1 over 3. I'll show you the solution. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. And 2 times 3 is 6. And then minus, we have remainder 1. The quotient 2 is the whole number. The remainder 1 is the numerator. And the denominator 3 is the same as the denominator for your mixed number. So that is the answer for number 1. Okay, do the same procedure to answer number 2. 59 over 8 changed to mixed number is 7 and 3 over 8. So number 3. Improper fraction 13 over 2 changed to mixed number, it is 6 and 1 over 2. And the improper fraction 27 over 6 change to mixed number, it is 4 and 3 over 6. Or you can write this also to the simple fraction, which is 4 and 1 over 2. Now, answer practice, page 37 of your book, numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you. See you at school and take care. So I will be collecting your book and then I will be the one to check it